What if I told you that silver, not gold, could be the metal that surprises American investors next? While most people are watching stocks and crypto, silver is quietly moving in the background. So the big question is now the right time to buy silver in the USA, or is this another trap? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see silver very differently. Silver has always played a unique role in the American financial system. It is not just a precious metal, it is also an industrial metal. That means silver reacts to inflation, interest rates, the US dollar, and industrial demand all at the same time. In today's video, we will break down what is driving silver prices in the USA, how the US economy is influencing silver, whether silver looks undervalued or risky right now, and finally, is this a good time to buy silver, or should you wait? Let's start with the bigger picture. 1. Why silver matters in the USA. Silver is deeply connected to the US economy. Unlike gold, which is mainly a store of value, silver is used heavily in solar panels, electric vehicles, medical equipment, electronics and technology. As America pushes toward green energy and advanced technology, silver demand increases naturally. This makes silver different from gold. When the economy grows, silver benefits. When inflation rises, silver also benefits. But when fear and uncertainty hit markets, silver can become volatile. That dual nature is exactly why silver prices move so sharply in the USA. The US dollar and silver price connection. One of the biggest factors affecting silver price in the USA is the US dollar. Historically, when the dollar is strong, silver struggles. When the dollar weakens, silver tends to rise. Why? Because silver is priced in dollars. A weaker dollar makes silver cheaper for global buyers, increasing demand. Right now, many investors are closely watching Federal Reserve policies, interest rate decisions, government debt levels. Any sign of long-term dollar weakness can act as fuel for silver prices. 3. Inflation and interest rates. Inflation is another major driver. Silver is often seen as a hedge against inflation, just like gold. When purchasing power declines, investors look for hard assets. However, interest rates complicate the story. Higher interest rates can pressure silver in the short term because bonds become more attractive. Holding non-yielding assets like silver feels costly, but if inflation stays stubborn while growth slows, silver can regain strength very quickly. This is why silver often moves before the broader market realizes what's happening. Is silver undervalued compared to gold? Many analysts look at the gold to silver ratio. This ratio measures how many ounces of silver it takes to buy 1 ounce of gold. Historically, when this ratio is high, silver is considered undervalued. Long-term investors start paying attention. Silver has a history of lagging behind gold and then catching up aggressively. When that happens, silver doesn't move slowly. It moves fast. This is why experienced investors often accumulate silver before major price runs. Industrial demand in the USA. The United States is investing heavily in renewable energy, electric vehicles, infrastructure, and technology. Silver plays a critical role in all of these sectors. As industrial demand rises, physical silver supply tightens. Prices become more sensitive to demand shocks. Unlike paper assets, silver supply cannot be increased quickly. Mining takes time, investment, and stable regulations. This supply-demand imbalance is one of the strongest long-term arguments for silver. Risks you must understand. Silver is not a guaranteed win. Some key risks include high volatility, sharp short-term price drops, market manipulation concerns, economic slowdowns reducing industrial demand. Silver often shakes out weak hands before making major moves. That's why emotional buying is dangerous. Smart investors treat silver as a long-term position or a strategic hedge, not a quick trade. 7. Is now the right time to buy silver in the USA? So, is now the right time? The honest answer is, it depends on your strategy. Silver may not explode tomorrow, but for investors who believe inflation is not truly defeated, expect long-term dollar pressure, trust industrial demand growth, silver looks fundamentally interesting. Many experienced investors prefer gradual buying, not all at once. This reduces risk and removes emotional decisions. Silver rewards patience, not hype. Conclusion: silver is one of the most misunderstood assets in the American market. It sits at the crossroads of money, industry, inflation, and economic cycles. While it may test your patience, silver has a long history of surprising those who ignore it. The real question is not whether silver will move, but whether you'll be positioned before it does. If you found this analysis helpful, hit the like button. And subscribe for more USA market insights, silver updates, and smart investing discussions. And comment below. Are you bullish or bearish on silver right now?